Looking for high-quality lens cleaning wipes for glasses? SeleWipes offers professional-grade disposable wipes specifically designed for eyeglasses, sunglasses, and delicate optical surfaces. Our lens cleaning wipes effectively remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust without scratching or damaging lens coatings. As a leading B2B manufacturer and exporter from China, we provide customized lens cleaning wipes solutions with alcohol-free formula safe for all lens types, including anti-reflective coatings, premium non-woven material that cleans without lint residue, individually wrapped packets for hygiene and convenience, customizable sizing, packaging, and branding options, competitive wholesale pricing with MOQs as low as 10,000 units. A state-of-the-art production facility spans 40,000 square meters with ISO-certified clean rooms and 60 automated production lines capable of producing over 95 million wipes monthly. We are trusted by optical shops, eyewear brands, and retailers worldwide for our consistent quality and reliable supply chain. Key advantages of partnering with SeleWipes: Factory direct pricing, eliminating middleman costs. 2. Strict quality control, meeting international standards. 3. Flexible OEM ODM services for private label customers. 4. Faster production turnaround, 7 至15 days for standard orders. 5. Comprehensive logistics support, including door-to-door shipping. 3. Email sales@selewipes.com. WhatsApp 861380288510. Website 3w.selewipes.com